We are pleased to show you the 2025 Solterra. The Subaru Solterra is an all-electric SUV designed for adventure and versatility. Featuring rugged styling, all-wheel drive, and a spacious tech-rich interior, it offers a blend of off-road capability and eco-friendly performance, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both practicality and sustainability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, wheel covers. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.